What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm gonna reveal a crazy easy trick that I've been quietly using recently to generate up to $300 a day with affiliate marketing. See, maybe you've been struggling to generate commissions online and you've been searching for a very simple thing you can do daily in about 20 minutes to start to generate sales. Well, in this video, I'm gonna first off reveal an automated traffic method that you can start to use for as little as $5 a day to get hyper-targeted traffic to whatever affiliate offer you want to promote. I'm then going to share with you a newbie-friendly method you can use to convert that traffic into sales even if you hate selling or you're terrible at it. And I'm also going to share with you how you can do all of this and generate up to $300 a day even if you're brand new and you have no following or audience online. And if you stick with me to the very end of the video, I'm even going to share with you a powerful process to scale your results so you can make even more money very quick and very easily. But before that, if you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training, be sure to click the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, recently I put together a free cheat sheet revealing my top 7 social media posts to get floods of free traffic. You can actually use that with the method I'm going to share with you to get even more sales. I'm going to include a link directly below and you can access that while it's still available. So without further ado, let me go ahead and dive into this method right now. Okay, so the very first step is we need to find a product to promote that's popular right now. Okay, so one place you can go is warriorplus.com. Now you can create a free account, and once you're in your dashboard, you can go to affiliate and then offers. Okay, now once you're in this tab, what we want to do is I highly recommend you sort by launch date because this is going to filter and show you the most recent products first. Now we want to also keep in mind sales, okay, because this is going to share with us how well and how many sales that this product's actually made, okay? So this is 100 plus, anything above 50, okay, is pretty darn good. This is, 2,000 plus sales, and this was released at the time we're recording 2 days ago, okay? So this would be a pretty good product to promote, okay? So then what we can do when we find a good product is click request. And that's going to allow us to actually request approval to promote this product, okay? And once you get approved, you can actually get your affiliate link. Now, once you do that, okay, once you actually request approval to this offer, what we want to now do is the next step, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to go to a site called blogger.com. Now, the cool thing about Blogger is the benefit, it allows you to create free web pages. Okay, you don't have to pay for Blogger, it's totally free, just search it on Google. And once you're inside, you can actually create a new post by clicking on the left and go to new post, okay? Now we wanna go back to here and you wanna do this after you're approved, but let's assume that I've been approved, okay? So what I recommend you do is you request approval to, let's say 10, and very quickly, one of them is gonna approve you. Now we wanna take the name of the product, okay, go back here, and we wanna type the name, and then we want to say review, okay? And then type in access thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, okay? Worth of bonuses. So that's the title of the page, okay? And this is going to all make sense as you continue to watch me. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to write something here that has to do with kind of what you said here, okay? So I would copy this, okay? So I would say here, review. Discover how you can access thousands of dollars in bonuses when you purchase this product through my link today. Okay? And then you can make this bold. You can actually make this, a heading, and you can actually even center this, okay, by going here. So you just want to make it look decent. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I would spend a little bit more time. But that looks pretty darn good, okay? So now what you want to do is you want to find bonuses that you can actually give away to people when they purchase this product through your link, okay? Now, how do you do that, right? You may be thinking, I don't know how to create bonuses. I don't want to create bonuses. Not to worry, I'm about to share with you a site that you can find bonuses that are already created for you that you can list on this website to entice people, to convince people to purchase through your link, okay? So how do we do this? Well, I personally recommend a site called ID plr.com. Okay, now I'm going to include a link directly below. They have some bonuses that you need to be a paid member to use, and they also have some free bonuses you can offer. Now, PLR just means private label rights, which means often, depending on each individual bonus, they will list if you can actually give away that for free, or does it have to be part of a paid program? Okay, so let me share with you what I mean. So if I hover over here, I can actually go to, software, or if I want to give away videos, it really doesn't matter. Okay, but let's do videos. So I'll do videos with giveaway rights. Okay, so that basically means, again, we can give away this, for free. Okay, so you see that why hate mail, goal setting went wrong. Okay, so all of these are basically video courses that other people have created that I can go ahead and get the link to and just share it with people. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this and give them these bonuses so they will actually pay for the product that we're promoting. Now, how do we do this? Okay, because you don't want to just grab random bonuses. You can actually go to the search bar and you can type in something that's related to this product. Okay, so this one, it's read for money. Okay, so I can kind of look about what this has to do with. Okay, so it basically, I could even view the sales page and kind of see what this is about. We just want to get a general idea. Okay, so it says Amazon loophole pays us from reading. Okay, so it's about reading. So I can do, go back here and I can either type in reading or I can type in Amazon. And once this loads, okay, we can see that it's actually listing bonuses that we can access and give away that have to do with Amazon. Okay, you want the bonuses as similar to the product as possible. Okay, so make money with Amazon Video Direct. Okay, so this product has to do with making money with Amazon. So we can actually do this one because this is still making money with Amazon. So on this website, all you have to do is open this up. You can hit download, okay? And you can actually see, can it be used for personal use? Can it be sold? Yes, okay, so I can actually download this to my computer. And then what I can do is I can go to a site, okay, you can see it's downloading. I can go to a site, Google Drive, okay, right here. And what I can do is I can just upload that course to Google Drive. And then once I get the link, I can go ahead and share that with people if they buy from me. So what you want to do is you want to go back to Blogger and you want to say, bonus number 1, right? And then you want to put the name of this bonus, making money with Amazon Video Direct. Okay, so I can put that in. Okay, we can, erase all this stuff right here. And we can make this a little bit smaller, okay? Let's do normal. Okay, we're right there, right? Bonus 1, making money with Amazon Video Direct. Okay, and then we can write a little bit about what this bonus is. And again, you can just copy and paste this from this website, okay? Bonus number 1, make money with Amazon Video. With this video course, you will learn, blah, 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 right? And then I would do bonus number 2. And you want to do, anywhere from 3 to 7 bonuses. Okay, so you would just go through and you would keep doing that. Now at the very end, all you want to say is to access these bonuses, be sure to click the link below so you purchase under me. Okay, and then what we can do is we can actually put in, click here to purchase Read for Money, okay, which is the product that I'm promoting in this video. Click here to purchase Read for Money. And then all we have to do is highlight this, go to this little insert edit link, and then we want to put in our affiliate link. Now, I currently don't have an affiliate link because I haven't been approved yet, but once you get approved, you basically will have your link on this page, and then you can go ahead and put your link in there. I'll do google.com. Just imagine this is my affiliate link. Boom. And then now it's right there, okay? And then the last thing you want to do on this page under that is, be sure to email me at, and then you want to insert your email address after you pay so I can send you the bonuses, okay? And then what you want to do is publish. Now what happens is, okay, when you publish this, I'll share with you what it looks like, okay, so I can actually view this. So this is what it looks like. Hey, read for money review, access $1,000, okay? Bonus number 1, make money. With this video course, you'll learn da-da-da. Bonus number 2, boom. And then access these bonuses. Be sure to click the link below They click here, it's going to go to the affiliate link, right? And then what you want to do is have, be sure to email me. And then once someone buys, you're going to receive an email to your email address. And all you have to do is reply back with the bonuses. Okay, the bonuses that you got from here. Remember, we uploaded them to Google Drive. You can put all the bonuses in one Google Drive folder, share that folder link with that person and say, hey, thanks so much for purchasing. Here's your bonuses. Now, this is the back end. This is what's going to happen once they land on the page. Now, how do we get people to this page? Because that's what you may be wondering. What I personally recommend is something called Bing Ads. Okay. Now, if you don't know what Bing Ads, basically Bing.com is a search engine. Just like Google, people can go to Bing and they can search for reviews on specific products. And if you run an ad, okay, this one right here is an ad of a product that's on ClickBank, you can see that we can actually show up right here and we can offer our bonuses. So how do we actually show up here? And why do we want to do Bing? If you do Google, you can do the same method with Google Ads, but it's going to be a lot more expensive. Bing is very cheap. There's very low competition, and you can start very, very cheaply, okay? So what you can do is go to Google, type in Bing Ads, okay? And then you want to click this one right here, Microsoft Ads. You can create a free account. And then once you're inside your dashboard, all you have to do is create a new campaign, okay? So we go to campaigns here, and I can do create campaign, okay? You can do visits to my website, search ads, next. Now, by the way, I have a full video I'll put a card on, and I'll also include a link directly below if you want to go to my full Bing ad tutorial. This is going to be a very quick overview, but this is what I would do, okay? Campaign name, I would put the name of the product, okay? Read for money. Individual budget, you can do $5 a day, okay? It really does not take a lot of money. Location, okay, so you can do Canada, United States, that's fine, okay? You can also do, if you want to do Australia, you want to do the top tier countries, okay? Countries where people have money, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United States, okay? You want to uncheck this, people searching for, because we only want people in those locations. Language, English, okay? Save and go to the next step, okay? Now for the website, what we want to do is we want to actually put in our website here. So I go to the top, I want to copy this blogger link, and I want to go to the website, boom. Okay, so that's the actual site. When they click the ad, it's going to show up. Ad group name, again, you can do the name of the product, read for money. Okay, and then for keywords, what you want to do is you want to put the name of the product followed by review, followed by bonuses. Okay, these are keywords that people would be searching when they're interested in buying this product. So let's do read for money, review, read for money, bonuses. Is read for money a scam? Okay, you can just do the main one, read for money, right? These are the main buyer keywords that you want to include. And then you would just go down, save, and go to the next step, okay? Now you can skip all of this, save, go to the next step, okay? Now you want to create an ad. You can do responsive search ad, that's fine. Final URL, okay, you want to put in that blogger link right there. Now for the headline, okay, this is basically what's going to show up right here when it actually, when your ad is right here, okay? So what we can do is we can actually put in a headline, the name of the product, read for money, review. You can say, check out amazing bonuses. You can type in, must see. Just, anywhere from a few different headlines, because you can see, read for money, review, check out amazing bonuses, must see, right? And then all you have to do is go down here for description. That's what's going to show right here. Okay, so you just want to kind of expand on the headlines. You can say, discover how you can access thousands of dollars worth of bonuses when you join Read for Money. Okay, thousands of dollars, thousands worth of bonuses. Okay, because there's only a certain amount of letters, and then save. Okay, and basically, you can go down, save, and go to the next step, and you go through, and then eventually it will post live. Because this product is very popular right now, a lot of people are going to be going to Bing, and they're going to be searching for a review or searching for bonuses. When they do that, your ad will show up here, and when they click that, it's going to go to this, where they can see all the different bonuses they'll get when they join you, and they click through your affiliate link. And then you'll start to receive emails from buyers, and you can send them all these bonuses that you didn't even have to create. So again, after you've made that blogger site and you've added your bonuses, you're gonna start to make sales. But if you wanna make even more sales, you wanna drive as much traffic to that page as possible. That's why I've recently put together a free cheat sheet revealing my top 7 social media posts you can swipe and deploy to start to get massive free interest and traffic, sending it to whatever offer you want. All you have to do is click that first link below. You'll get instant access to that cheat sheet, and you can use those ads as soon as today. Also, my friend, be sure to subscribe. Click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified on my latest videos. I'm gonna be posting weekly videos just like this to take you from where you are to really allow you to achieve the income you truly deserve. So again, thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.